Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday, March 14, 2023. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. Let's get our YouTube subscribers up to date with what our newsletter subscribers already have. We'll start with the US 10-year. A lot of interesting things happening here. You can see this is at wave 5 up from the March 2020 low all the way into October of last year. That's 5 waves up. And then we have a couple of counts here where we have that is a larger wave 1, that is a larger wave 2. As long as this low holds, we should expect a wave 3. And there's where 3 equals 1 at 7.30%. We also have, this is critical right here, the 3.321. A move below this point here, 3.321. brings these lower targets into play. Here's where C equals A at 3.073%, and this 2.810% marks a 382 retracement of the entire 5-wave rise up from the March 2020 lows to this high up here. By the way, I wanted to thank everyone for the well wishes. We had a heart procedure yesterday and came out on the other side okay. Back in the office, getting work done. Okay, thanks again for all those who sent the well wishes. Appreciated, much appreciated. Okay, let's get into, let's do the ES on a daily. Okay, this is the all-time high on January 4th. 5 waves down for A in parentheses. A B wave up here. Then we've got wave 1 down at the October 13th low. Wave 2 up at the 43.2750 high on February 2nd, and you can see wave 3 of C is starting down there. Wave 3 equals 1 at 33.79 3/4, and the larger wave C in parentheses gains equality with A at 3159.75. I want to point out this would be a normal 5 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down correction in a bull market, and it would take it to 31.59. That'd just be a normal ABC 5-3-5 correction. Okay, it'll take it way down, but that's what we're looking at. Let's get down into the hourly from the 2-2 high. We'll show this on a pick later. We had a bunch of 3 waves down, but we got our first 5 waves down from the February 2nd high. That signified a change in trend. A lot of action on here, but we have a wave 1 in parentheses down, a wave 2 up. We have a wave 3 down equals a 2.618 extension here, a 4 up, and then we've got a couple of targets here. Here's 5 down at the, I believe that was yesterday's low, okay? Or this third wave could be extending into a 3.618 extension. If it is, that's the target there, okay? So we're gonna watch this price action real closely here on the shorter term charts, the 10-minute and the 1-minute. I think we can get into the 10-minute. Let me see if I got that there. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff going on here. But there's that 1 down, 2 up. We got a couple of direct hits there. But there's those targets here where 5 is a 1.618 at 38.18. And then we've got a couple different wave 3 targets there. I want to get into our reports to our monthly. This one's to our annual subscribers, the interim report. We give those once a month, plus as market conditions warrant and market conditions warranted. They've warranted a few times this month, but here we have either this is the S&P cash, by the way. Either wave 5 low is in, or wave 3 in parentheses is extending. You can see here it's a much cleaner chart. 1 down, 2 up. We have a 3 down here to 2.618. Wave 4 held below wave 1 low, and there's the actual low so far is 38.08. Wave 5 gains a 2.618 at 37.99, and wave 3 extends to a 3.618 at 37.91. We're holding out the chance for wave 3 to extend to not just 2.618, but possibly 3.618 and maybe even 4, because in previous bear markets, the third of third waves, which this is, has made multiple extensions well beyond the 1.618, including the 2 and the 3 and the 4. Okay, so we got all that verbiage there, and I think we had, oh yeah, bonds again. There's that same chart, a little cleaner. Okay, there's the wave forward targets. There is the 50%, and that is a little bit older. So we'll get into that. When was this? I think this was yesterday. That's already old. But anyway, bonds are accelerating to the downside, and that chart showed you that if it hit the one target, we'll go back to it here. Yeah, if it hits below 3.321, then these targets are in play, 3.073 and 2.810. I want to get to the post-market close from yesterday to get you guys all caught up, and that is not the right one. Let me see if I've got, there it is. Well, it might be mislabeled. My apologies there, guys. I think that is the 13th. Let's see what we have here. And yes, it is. Okay. Let me fix that. Here we go. Bear with me a second here. Okay. Sorry about that. We had a little stress yesterday. Anyway, here's a top-down look at the daily bar. Okay, again, this is just a repeat. You can see we've got 1 of C down, 2 of C up, and we're in 3 of C. A move below this B wave low here at 37.8850 eliminates this alternate count in blue, which calls for a higher B wave up here. Okay, so that's critical there. Wave 3 equals 1 at 33.79, and the larger degree wave C equals A at 31.59. Again, that'd be a normal 535 correction. Okay, and that's all the verbiage there. There's the important points right there. Okay, and then from that 2-2 high, yeah, I wanted to make this point. As this was going up, we reiterated it was like higher high, 3 waves down, higher high, 3 waves down. Kept going on, and we kept saying as long as it's 3 waves down, we can expect higher highs, and we did. We were staying on the lookout on the 1 and 10 minute charts for 5 waves down, and we finally got it on February 2nd. That's when we told our subscribers change in the trend. It's going from up to down, and down it did. Okay, so that was very key there, and we were looking for that and got it right here. So, and we got the lower high. Okay, so you can see all the direct hits here. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 direct hits, several 786. I think it was 4 of them, and 3 or 4 900 retracements that held. Unbelievable opportunities and setups there, but I don't know if we'll get many more of those since we're in this third wave down. And you can see we're going to allow for that third wave to extend to a 3.618. Otherwise, this 5 is it for 5 waves down from 2-2. We'll watch this real closely again with the shorter term charts to see if that low is in or not. We'll know as the waves develop here. Okay, and then if you look here at the 10 minute from this 40.82 high on 3.6, you've got a 1 down in parentheses, a 2 up. There's where 3 equals 1, direct hit right there. There's where 3 equals 1.618, direct hit right there. You can see here 3 equals 2.618 at 37.29, and a 3.618 at 36.18, and 5 gains a 1.618 multiple at 38.18. So we'll see, is this the low of 3 and the low of 5 here or not? This price action over the next several days will tell us. Okay, there's our direct hits and our targets. Okay, there's our direct hits and targets there. Do we have anything more? That was the retracement up, fell between the 500 and the 618. And here's our summary here. Move above, a move up should be held by 39.40 resistance, 39.78 and 40.82. A move below 39.125, that's yesterday's low, brings these lower targets into play, and these are those wave 5 and wave 3 extensions right here. Okay, that's it. We'll see what the rest of this week brings, and until next time, let me leave you guys with this. Okay, take care, everyone.